What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you all back into another video. And in today's video we are checking out indoor plug-in HD smart security camera by Blink Model Mini. It has actually been 2 months since the release of this product, but in UK it was released last week. Now as soon as I got my hands on it, and I wanted to show each and everything about this product to you guys. Previously I have reviewed product from Blink, and honestly speaking I wasn't that happy with them at all. Within this video we're going to check out how this Blink Mini is good for you or not, and I'm going to show you each and everything which is offered by this Blink Mini to make your decision easy that is this really product for you or not. Now just before we jump into the video, I'd like to request one thing. If you like this video and found it informative, hit the like button. If not, double click onto the dislike button. To start with, let's have a look into the key features offered by this Blink Mini, which are clearly defined on the back of packaging, starting with the day and nighttime HD recording, two-way audio communication, motion detection, a very easy setup, and work with who we should not be naming in this video. Let's go ahead with a very quick unboxing and see what is included within the packaging. To start with, you have a 2 power adapter, one for the UK, another one for US, one 3-meter long micro USB power cable, product safety and specification guide leaflet, couple of screws if you wall mount the camera, and now in last but not least we have a Blink Mini indoor HD camera, where in the front under the camera lens we have a microphone input, 2 status indicator lights, and infrared ring around for the night vision. Speaker is also available on the back for the two-way audio communication. So is a power USB port. Come with a flexibly movable and sturdy stand with a special cutout made for power cable. You can place this camera in one corner of your house and forget about it, or you can wall mount it if you want to. Now camera does not come with a micro SD card for the local storage at all, but Blink Mini come with a free trial of a Blink subscription plan until 31st of March 2020. So technically you have got a 1 year of free cloud subscription to go for. Now after trial finish, you can subscribe for £2.50 a month for one camera, or unlimited cameras at single location for £8. Blink will also be coming with the local video storage solution, but you have to buy an extra hardware for that, which is Blink Synchronization Module 2. Again, you need to pay for that one. I would have preferred it if they would have got a micro SD card in there and job done. No need to worry about anything. Now Blink also claimed that you can set this camera up very quickly. Let's check that one out. First thing you need to do is install an application which is available for Android as well as for iOS users. So I'm on Android. I'm going to search for application Blink Home Monitor. Install the application. Once the application successfully installed, open it up right from there. Now if you don't have account with the Blink application, you need to create by creating an account button here, or if you got it, enter your credential. Now once you signed in your Blink application, now from the list down below we need to select our mini camera. After that you need to scan the QR code which is available on the back of your camera. Simple, by using the application. Now give your camera a name and finish with it. And at this stage you can power up your camera and wait for a steady green and blinking blue light. Click onto the discover device. Press OK. Now select the Wi-Fi router which will be used by the Blink Mini to connect with internet. Type in your credentials and join. Now process of adding Blink Mini camera within the home application was straightforward and very simple. I have to admit that. Now to see the live feed of your camera, click onto this camera button. Simple as that. Okay. And whatever you see here is a live feed, and you can store it all on a one click of a button, and that will store on the cloud actually, and you can download from there easily as well. And then to take a picture, click onto this camera button, and the picture you have taken will be updated on your home page too. To access the setting of your camera, click onto this configuration button here, where it's going to give you freedom of changing the name of your camera, enabling its motion detection, selecting your activity zone, which means that area which are grayed out. If motion detected in these areas, do not bother about showing me the message. You can also set the trigger sensitivity and clip length as well. Option of ending clip early if motion stop is not available at the moment. Early notification is still on the beta test, but motion recording is available and it is set. You can have an auto selection of night vision as well as the infrared blasting area. Audio option is enabled and is working fine, and the video quality which is set on standard. I'm gonna go with the best one to show you what is the best recording this camera can do. Flipping the video option is available too if you're mounting this camera on a wall or a ceiling. Within setting you have option for updating your camera firmware, changing the Wi-Fi as well as deleting the camera permanently too. And like to see whatever you have recorded available within the play area here, and off you go, you can watch it live. And you can also download the footage from the cloud very easily while it's playing. Click onto this download button, allow it, and it will be downloaded on your mobile phone, available for you to use it anywhere you want. Now here is a daytime normal ambient room light video recording of this Blink mini camera. I've not seen the footage myself. I hope it will be pretty okayish kind of, to be honest with you. But you will be the judge on the other side. Tell me what you think about it. Now let's check out how video recording will look like in complete pitch dark room. Well, night vision has been turned on, I suppose. I can see the red light in front of the camera. And I don't know how am I looking ghost or something like that. You gotta tell me that how it is. You will now have an idea how the quality going to look like in a completely pitch dark room. It is really pitch dark, to be honest with you guys. This is again a video recording of this Blink mini camera in completely dark room, the similar room which you see in the daytime video recording of. And I've not seen the footage myself. You would be the judge of it to tell me that how it is in the comment section down below. Now performance of two-way audio communication is pretty straightforward. Now whenever you are on the live feed, you can hear the audio of your camera, no problem whatsoever. At the moment of time I have turned it off. The reason is because I'm getting doubling on my video recording. Now if you'd like to talk to camera, you need to press this talk button. Now let's check out the two-way audio communication. I have got my son on other room. He's going to talk to me using this camera. Alright Mohit, can you hear me?
Yep, loud and clear.
Alright, so it looks pretty good. It's loud in here as well. Camera has got pretty decent speaker in it, which is loud enough. Can you hear me very clearly, or is it sound breaking?
It's very clear.
That is good. Now you can mumble anything you want. Ask for people to subscribe to my channel, then let's see.
Everybody subscribe to today's channel.
Thank you.
Leave a like on the video.
Now to configure this camera system with the Amazon product, you need to open up Amazon Alexa app. Within the app, click onto this tab button on the top and scroll down to skill and games. In here, search for the Blink Home system. When you find Blink Smart Home skill within the list, click on it and click enable to use. In here, type in the credentials which you have for your Blink application. Once you typed in credentials and signed in, you will be on this screen. Now close this screen and click on to discover devices. Now at time to time I have noticed that application don't detect any discovered devices, but to confirm, go down into the discovered devices of camera, and in here you should be able to locate living room right in there, which is enabled as well, and it's by Blink mini camera, which is now configured for your Amazon products. So let's check it out. Alexa, show me living room camera.
Okay.
So there we go. It just all works straight away, no worries whatsoever. Now let's check out the motion detection with the default settings running on camera system. And for the motion detection feature to work, you have to make sure that camera is armed. Now let's check out how quickly we get the notification when we come in front of the camera. Here we are in front of camera and I can see the blue light came on it straight away. And got the notification too. There we go, right there I can see the footage as well, no problem whatsoever. And now here we are in the end of this video. I try to show each and everything a typical user should know about this camera system before purchasing it. We looked into how easy this camera is to set it up with the application, day and night video recording and two-way audio communication. Motion detection feature was kind of a bit flimsy, and I'm sure that will upgrade by the firmware update, no problem whatsoever. Working with Amazon product was straightforward and to the point. Now overall daytime as well as the nighttime recording footage are not that bad at all. Now the answer to the biggest question everybody wanted to know, that do I recommend this camera system or not? To be honest with you guys, not really. The reason is very simple and straightforward. I like to see a micro SD card recording. I do not want to pay for the cloud recording all the time, or for the local storage I do not want to buy an extra piece of kit. Simple as that. Just provide me the micro SD card in it and that's about it. I don't want anything. And for the price this camera is sold at, there are plenty of other options available within the market. I have reviewed a couple of them in past. The one which I wanted to show you is this one, which is by Xiaomi. It's a full HD 1080p recording, decent looking camera, come with a micro SD card recording, and what else you want? Works great, straightforward out of the box. Got exactly same kind of a configuration but with extras in it. But that is not the only camera. There's another camera which I reviewed by Balram. It's a full HD 1080p recording with the intelligent recording system too. Once you buy a cloud on it, it's even fantastic. I will leave a link for that in the video description for you to check that one out. But my recommendation for this Blink camera is like, nah, not for me. Now if you think that I have provided you enough information to make your call for this Blink mini camera, let me know in comment section down below. And also, if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you dislike this video, double time hit the dislike button so I get to know about it too. Now that will be all from my side guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.